Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing how to do a Rubik's Cube. So yeah, you could be doing this. So I'm gonna be teaching you. So let's go into the video. You have to be doing it like this. So let's get started. So first, you have to do this is the first layer. You can see this is the second layer, and this is the third layer. And this is the front, whatever front. This is your front, this is right, this is left, and this is the upside, this is the bottom. So let's do it. First we have to do edges, like these edges, so we can do these corners. So first you have to find a color which actually matches this color. So I'll see red here. So red and white, I have to find the edge. Oh, it's right down here. It's red and white. So it's right down. So I just bring it like that, and like that. So it actually works. And put it right down. After we do that, we'll find blue and white. So let's find blue and white. Oh, here it is. So I'm just gonna bring it down, move it some other place so I can put this up. Yeah, you take blue. So if you can see white here, so you just put it like that, like that, like that. You just put it right down, and this is already fixed. So I'm just gonna put it up so it actually matches. So you thought, look at that, like that, like that. So I'm gonna have to do green. Green is left. So here the green is. I'm just gonna put this up, like you can see, green is here. So I'm just gonna do right up. And I'm gonna do front like that and put right down. So you can see we did a plus, so we have to do these corners. So I found so we have to do like two colors. So actually like this. For example, red and blue. I found red, blue, and white, which should be perfect for this corner. So I'm just gonna put it like that, like that, and like that. It should be like this. So let's do to all these corners. So this is wrong. This is not where it's supposed to be, but I'll just do orange and blue. So I'm just gonna bring it down. Orange and blue. So I'm just gonna do right down. Do this side right up. So you see red, green, white. So I'm just gonna do that. See, it's wrong. Okay. I see orange and green. So I'm just gonna bring it like here, so it comes down. Right down, do this side right up, so it's perfect, works. And then I have to flip it. Then you did the first layer and you did white, so I'm just gonna flip it so we can do others. So we have to find an edge which is not like this, white and red, or white and blue, or white and orange, white and green, but something colors, two colors. So we have to like this, orange and green. I found orange and green, so I'm just gonna bring it to green, which is here. I'm just gonna put it here. I have to do right up, do this up, you the side right down, do the side right up like that. So it works. So I did that, so it actually fits here. So you have to do here, here, and here. So we have to find them. So okay, I found green and red, so I'm just gonna take it to green. I'm just gonna put it like the side wherever green. I'm just gonna put it. So I have to do left up, the side, you the side left down, you the side left up, you the side left down, like that. And we put it here, or here. Okay. So I'm just gonna do blue. So blue, red is here. So I'm just gonna put this side right up, do this side right down, you this side right up, front up, like that, like that. So when this is done, so this is the only one left, I think. Yeah. So to find, here it is, orange and blue. So I'm just gonna bring it to orange, put it near, like that. Step side, which I told you. So I did that. Now we have to, if we will be getting like sleeping line, and we'll be getting like an L. We're getting like an L, we'll be getting a sleeping line, and we'll be getting a dot. But I caught L here, so I'm just gonna keep it near wherever it is. So F to say, U to say right up, U to say right down, F. And there you go. You did it. You did a plus sign, so it's perfect. Now we will be seeing each color here, but no yellow. So I'm just gonna bring a color to its color match, and we saw two colors. You'll be getting like this sometimes, or you'll be getting like opposite side. Like if you match one color, maybe you'll be getting another color. If you don't, you have to try another color combinations. So I did this, so I got here. So if you get like this, you have to put it here, one color on the back, one color on the side. But I got like this each side, so I'm just gonna do right up. You just say right down. You just say right up. 1, 2, right up. You like that. So I'm gonna try green because that didn't work. I'm gonna try. Oh, I got red and green. So I'm just like this. You'll be putting one color on the back, one color on the right side. So the same. So after you do that, you have to do these corners. So this one's right because we'll be needing like whatever colors both sides, you know, which we saw on the white, like that. So I got red, blue, yellow, which is correct. So I have to do others are not correct, so I'm just gonna do up. You just say right up, you just say left up, you just say right, you just say left up, like that. And you got everything correctly. So we have to do, if we get your yellow the side, so you have to do right down, D this side, right up, D this side, right down, D this side, right up, D this side. And you have to do D, if you get front, you have to do D this side, right down, D this side, right up, D this side, right down, oops, D this side, right up, and you do like this. You twist them so you can get others. So I got this, so I'm just gonna do right down, D this side, right up, D this side, right down, D this side, D this side, D this side, right down, D this side, right up, D this side, right down, D this side, right up, and you finished your cube. This is how you have to do a Rubik's cube. So hope you guys like this video. Okay guys, that's it for today. So I know you guys can do this. I'm gonna support you guys. If you can't remember what I told in this video, you can actually write it in a note, and you can actually do that. So it's pretty much easy. You guys can do this. So go get that subscribe button. If you like my video, go hit the subscribe button. Click all in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you didn't that time, I love you guys so much. So see you guys in my next video then. Bye.